I turned this water bottle into a rocket engine. And it all started when I was getting a drink. I noticed this water bottle, and it looks just like a rocket engine. And that got me thinking, I wonder if I could make it into one. So that's exactly what I did.
Wow, that thing is a lot of pressure.
After the first test, it was pretty clear something wasn't working. During the test, I couldn't keep it running for more than a short burst. So one thing I wanted to change was how the fuel and air mixed. In the first version, the fuel and air mixed before entering the chamber. For the next version, I wanted them to mix inside the chamber. And the only way to do that was to drill 2 more holes. After changing the fuel system, it was time for another test. Unfortunately, it still wouldn't stay running. At that point, I started looking at a different part of the design. The nozzle. The throat on the nozzle was only a 1/4 inch wide. The throat is the narrowest part of a nozzle. It's what restricts the exhaust and helps build up pressure inside the engine. My theory is the opening I made was too small. So what if I made it bigger? Once everything was back together, it was time to find out if that actually helped. That's definitely better, but it's still not able to stay running. That's when I started wondering if the nozzle itself was the problem. So I decided to remove it completely. Now with nothing restricting the exhaust, it was time to see what would happen. Well, that definitely ran a lot better. And it even looks way better in the dark. This definitely wasn't the best designed rocket engine, but it was made from a bottle. And luckily, I found another one.